Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, due to uncertainty in India because of the current COVID-19 pandemic, a lot of people have various questions related to IRCC processing of applications. So IRCC has updated using its official Twitter account, IRCC in India or Canada in India or Canadian Embassy in India. They have written like attention work permit applicants in India. If you applied under an occupation listed as essential in the NOC, applications received in Jan 2021 are currently being processed. So they have given some update about it. Globally, if it includes a medical report submitted in advance, the processing standard for a complete global skill strategy work permit application is 2 weeks. For all other work permit applications, including spouse open work permit and GSS applications made without a medical report submitted in advance, applications received in August 2020 are currently being processed. So they have given update about work permit processing by them at this moment when things are highly uncertain. Now the point here is that I would like to say, even if somebody gets their work permit approved, how are they gonna stamp it? Services are interrupted, right? Traveling to a different country that many people had done before, like Nepal or Dubai, is also not looking feasible at this moment because, correct me if I'm wrong, Dubai has also banned flights from India, and Nepal itself is gripping under COVID-19. Like, I was seeing a BBC article, it's too bad even over there. So even if someone's application is approved for work permit, it's gonna be a really challenging situation for somebody to arrange for travel documents in this time. And even if somehow travel documents are arranged, when the flights are not going from India to Canada, and many other countries have already banned flights from India, how are they gonna go? It's a really challenging situation, but hopefully things improve down the line, and I'll keep you guys updated with whatever is happening. Thanks for watching.